In the fast-evolving landscape of e-bikes, the German brand Geos has emerged as a distinctive player, making waves with its latest creation. The Geos e-bike, self-titled for reasons that may unfold with time, is not just an electric bicycle. It's a seamless blend of style, innovation, and practicality, capturing the attention of enthusiasts and commuters alike. One of the standout features of the Geos e-bike is its aesthetic appeal. The bike boasts a sleek and modern appearance, coupled with a feather-light frame weighing less than 15 kilograms. This combination of elegance and practicality positions the Geos e-bike as a head-turner in a market inundated with options. The marriage of simplicity and technology is where the Geos e-bike truly shines. Despite its clean and straightforward frame, the bike incorporates a cleverly integrated tail light within the top tube. This multifunctional element not only adds to the bike's streamlined appearance, but also serves as a discreet charging hatch. The attention to detail and appearance contributes to an overall sense of sophistication. Under the hood, the Geos e-bike is powered by a 350 watt-hour battery, cleverly concealed within the top tube. This, combined with a 250 watt rear hub motor, delivers a subtle yet effective boost to the rider's pedaling efforts. The result is a smooth and enjoyable riding experience, making the Geos e-bike a reliable companion for both short commutes and longer journeys. What sets the Geos e-bike apart is its commitment to customization. The brand recognizes that cyclists have diverse preferences, and to cater to this, Geos offers a range of transmission options. Whether riders prefer the simplicity of a single-speed setup with a Gates carbon drive belt, the versatility of an 11-speed SRAM GX1 derailleur, or the cutting-edge technology of the high-end Pinion C1.12 Smart Shift drivetrain with automatic gears, Geos provides a configuration for every type of rider. This flexibility in transmission choices not only reflects Geos' dedication to meeting the varied needs of cyclists, but also positions the brand as a forward-thinking player in the e-bike market. By allowing riders to tailor their e-bike to their specific preferences, Geos ensures that each cyclist can enjoy a personalized and optimized riding experience. While the Geos e-bike undeniably sets itself apart with its seamless integration of style, technology, and customization, this exceptional combination does come at a price. Starting at €4,900 for the basic model, the cost of owning a Geos e-bike can escalate significantly with the addition of premium features, such as the Pinion drivetrain, a Brooks saddle, and other in-house add-ons. For those seeking the pinnacle of customization and luxury, the price tag can potentially soar to around €8,000. In a bustling market where innovation is the key to staying ahead, Geos has carved out a niche by combining style, functionality, and customization in its latest e-bike offering. As the Geos e-bike gracefully glides through the crowded streets, it not only turns heads, but also represents a paradigm shift in the way we perceive and experience electric bicycles. Would you like to ride such a bike? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and good luck.